Hi guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Game. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, guys. So the next interview question it may ask you, can we write a private method in interface, or they may ask you explain the Java 9 features, guys. So this is the one of the feature that you can explain or you can say, okay, in interview room, guys. So can we write private method in interface? Yes, of course. We can write private method in interface, guys. So but from Java 9, we can write private method in interface, guys. Okay. And this private method support provided by Java from Java 9, and this private method we can call from default method, guys. Okay, just to call this private method from default method we can call this private method, guys. So how we can call this private method from default method, or how we can write private method in interface? Okay, let's see with the example, guys. So guys, let's say I write one interface, okay, and like interface name I write interface, okay, A151. Okay, so A151, guys. Okay, interface A151. And here suppose we write private, okay, and the method name I write private void show method. And now you can see, guys, so okay, private void show, and I'm getting an error. Private interface method are not support in source set. Okay, use Java 9 or higher to enable private method in interface, guys. So you may okay get this kind of error. Okay, because my NetBeans using Java 8, because my NetBeans using Java 8. So now what I have to do, I will change this, okay, change Java source, okay, now I will use Java 9, JDK 9, okay, and I will say okay, okay. So now I am changing the version, okay, I am changing the version here, guys, okay. So now background scanning of project is running on here. We have to wait for some moment. Okay, now you can see, guys, you can see, okay, as soon as I change, okay, Java 8 to Java 9 version, so now you can see, okay, so there will be no error, guys. Now here suppose I write, okay, I am in show, okay, like this, suppose I write here, okay, like this, suppose I write here, and now I will write a default method here, okay, default void, okay, default void, okay, m1 method, suppose I write here, okay. And now from this m1 I would like to call this show method, guys. Okay, so I will call this show method from here. Okay, I will call show method from here. Okay, now then after I will say pspm, okay, and I will implement, okay, I will implements A151. I will implement A151, guys. Okay. Now, then as soon as I implement A151, so now to call this M1 method, I have to create the object. So I will create object question. Okay. Question A151. Okay. And now I will say Q. Okay. New. Okay. Question A151. Okay, and now I will say q dot m1, I will call q dot m1. So now I am calling this q dot m1 method, and then from this m1 method, okay, I am calling this show method, guys. So I can call this a private method by using this a default method, guys. Okay, directly I cannot call, okay, but by using, okay, through using default method I can call private method, guys. Okay, so now in this way, okay, now in this way I can call this a private method, guys. Okay, so this is the Java 9 feature, guys. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and also share it to your friends, guys, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, happy coding, guys. Thank you.